Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create the perfect Moana 2 outfit in Dress to Impress. So if you want to recreate the outfit of Moana in the Moana 2 movies, you can just follow my steps in here. So the first one here, you need to choose the right skin tone. So in this case, I'm using this one, the fifth one from the list. And the next one is the makeup. So in here, I'm going to select the makeup for the Moana outfit. So I'm using this makeup set, but you can also modify it on your own if you find that this is not fit. And after the makeup, I'm going to do the hair. Okay, so for the hair, the first one that I'm going to use is this hairstyles right here. Change all the color to all black, and then change the tutorial into only bangs. So I'm going to just use the bangs from this hairstyle. And then the next one is I'm going to use, okay, I'm going to find it first. Okay, this one's right here. Also change the color all black. And let's move on to the next hairstyle. So the next one in here. Okay, let's scroll down. Okay, this one's right here. Again, change the color into black. And then in here, okay, this one's right here. You can change the color also to black. And then the hair is done. Let's move on to the next item, this one. Change its color into this ones right here. So you can use this color wheel or this code. Okay, the next one is this dress, and also change it into, sorry, the pattern. Use this ones right here, all of it. Okay, now let's move on again. Here I'm going to use the shorts right here. This change the color into this pattern to be the same with the skirt. And now choose the top and use this pattern. Okay, now go to the dresser and use this axe as an accessories and change the tutorial in, so the axe is off, and change the color into this one. You can use this color. And next, use this skirt and change it into white, and change the pattern into this tartan pattern again. Okay, now let's move on to the next item. Okay, for the next one, use the stops right here and change it in using these patterns right here, the color. The last one, add this pants, the short pants at the top, and change the pattern with the tartan pattern. And now you are done. So this is the final look of the Moana dress. And that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks. I'll see you all on the next video.